Hello everyone. Today we're going to use Doodly and learn how to use the pan and zoom functions. So once we launch Doodly, let's start a new video. We're going to use just a simple whiteboard with that background. We're going to create the pan and zoom function as its title. And we're going to change our display to 1080p. So let's click create. Now once we're in the project, if we look down here at our timeline settings, we see that there is a pan and zoom feature. So what we're going to do is grab a couple icons, something simple. We'll drop them onto the canvas. Let's resize. And these will be our props to move the panned camera across the screen. Now once you have your set up, and remember, take in mind the layers here, the 2017 is going to go first, 3D glasses will go second, and then the acupuncture electric foot icon prop will go third. So now once we have this layered, let's click on add panning and zooming. We can see something is created here. Now let's click this open. On the left side it says start, on the right side it says end. Start means this is where the camera will initially start. So right now we have the border, it's fully maximized, so the start will focus maximized. Now on the right side where end, this signifies where the actual camera will end. So if we don't touch it right now, the focus will be consistent. What we want to do is we want to focus it on that cubes, on the set of cubes, the icon cubes. So to do that, let's drop it down a bit. So now we're going to see from the start to finish of this, we'll be able to see this here. And by the way, we can click the show preview button, and that will tell us what it's going to do right now. So I like the way it looks here. Let's click apply. Say OK, and now on the first movement, we're going to start from this full view, and it will move all the way into 2017. So let's show the preview. I'll hide this. Let's also rewind this all the way back, and now let's play it. So now we zoom in to the 2017, and that's what we're viewing as this one scene for the entirety. Meanwhile, the hand is still drawing the glasses and the acupuncture items as well, but we can't see them because we zoomed in solely on the 2017. Now let's come down here and let's add, so we want to move this right after the drawing stops. So we'll stay about here. Now let's add a new one. Now from this beginning point up to here, it's going to stay focused on the 4 cubes that say 2017. Now when we create this new one, it shows us the start side is focused on the 2017, and now we want to move the end side to the glasses. And so now we just drag the camera focus down. Click apply. Now let's rewind it just a little bit. We'll click play. And as you can see, the camera pans down to the glasses from the cubes. Now, same thing applies here. I want to know when the glass is just about finished, which is about here. And let's add another one. So let's line up this item to be about there. We'll click on it. And as you can see, the start is on the glasses. The end is going to pan to the right and focus on, and we'll click apply. Now we'll rewind this a little bit. We'll click play. And as you can see, we're moving over to focus on the acupuncture. And now finally, just as we're all done here, I would like to zoom back out. When does this get finished? Right about there. So right when it finishes, I like to zoom out. Let's drag out. That's fine there. We'll click on this. And now let's zoom back out. So we'll move the focus all the way to the top right. On the end side, we'll expand it all the way. We'll click apply. And let's see what happens. Oops. Forgot to add that. Alright, back this up. Now we'll run it back. And there you have it. So this is a quick introduction to the pan and zoom feature of Doodly.